Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking onto who you serve and why. This narrows idea generation fast. Once you have won 2 goals, gather audience signals. Search queries, comments, forum threads. Make a quick 10-20 keyword seed list and scan 3 top competitors to see recurring questions. Then, export or jot down 50 audience inputs to prioritize. This prevents aimless brainstorming and gets you actionable topics immediately. Start with real demand, not guesses, so every idea has a built-in audience reason. Once you have seeds, expand them with frameworks that reliably map to content. Problem solution, checklist, or myth versus fact, each gives structure. Then create variants, a short clip, a long-form post, and a visual asset to reach different channels. Prioritize by estimated impact versus effort. To validate, run 2 quick tests, a /B2 headlines, and post a 1-minute poll or teaser to measure clicks and reactions. Make sure to track click-through and engagement, so you favor ideas that show early traction. You finish by batching production and deploying with intention. Script 3 pieces, record 2, and edit 1 to build momentum. Schedule distribution across 2 primary channels and repurpose assets to save time. After publishing, measure CTR, watch time, and qualitative comments against your goal. If performance misses target by more than 10%, run the troubleshooting move. Ask a 3-question poll or a /B a new thumbnail/headline within 48 hours. This quick feedback loop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.